So, if you can hear me over the machine, I now have this little assembly language program which puts out happy birthday to the console TTY. I hand punched into AC block 0 on the KI, and the KI is set to run at full speed, regular normal operation, and location 2 is the starting address, and I am about to hit start, and then we will see what comes out on the terminal. So I am pointed at the terminal now, and I am hitting start on the KI. And we can see happy birthday coming out continuously on the terminal, which is what the program is set to do. It must be noted that we are now running at 600 baud. At 1200 baud, either the KI serial out is not quite good, or the terminal serial in is not quite good. So we're running at 600 baud, and it is running continuously, and that is cool. So I have a very large machine which can do a serial output string, which isn't very interesting, but there you have it. Thank you.